Hey everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens double box break number 932 of 1314 UD Ultimate. The last and ending the break was the Edmonton Oilers at 7:11 p.m. Mountain. 7:11 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So with the hour changing back, and screw things up a little bit. We are live on Breakers here. So current date and time. Refresh. It's currently Monday, March 9th at 12:19 a.m. Eastern Time. And also for the people who have yet to register on our Breakers page, really appreciate if you did. Just register your account up there and normally just kind of see what's going on. We'll probably post a few more breaks here this week. Keep your eye out for that. 932 and our serial number Snyder NE221150594 and 6386. 0594 and 6386. Those second set of numbers. Sealed. Pencil, turn this around here. I'll show you serial numbers one more time and we'll get started. Zero 0594. Here we go, everyone. Good luck. So we start with a base card of Bobby Ryan out of $4.99 for the Ottawa Senators. This one is the Ultimate Rookies of Tomas Yorko, $4.99 for the Red Wings. The next one is a Scott Laughton Ultimate Rookie, $2.45 of $3.99 for the Flyers. And final hit. Pack one is a decent one. Alex Galchenyuk, debut threads patch, 23 of 100. Going out to Montreal. Alex Galchenyuk. Two box number 2. Come on, box. This camera, more like it. 6386. Here we go. Number 2. No patch in this one. So base card of Eric Staal, $4.99. The Hurricane. And this is Brian Lashoff. I was like, didn't we just see him? Second card is a Ultimate Rookies of Brian Lashoff, $4.99 for the Red Wings. Next one, 97 Legends autograph going out to the Vancouver Canucks of Richard Brodeur. Richard Brodeur, the Vancouver Canucks. And finish the box off with a Ultimate Rookies of Tomas Hertl for the San Jose Sharks. So there we have it for tonight, guys. So we got Ultimate again tomorrow. Start a new case of 14-15 game use, so keep your eye out for that. And second box of Cup out of the case.